morning, guys. I look like a lump of coal. Welcome to my college week in my life, because you guys really liked it when I did my day in my life. Sorry if I sound like I don't have a soul, because that's kind of what I feel like right now. It is currently 9:48 because my classes start at 11. It is actually very bright today, which I enjoy. Here's my roommate Maddie. Do you want to be in it?
You know I want to be in it.
Hi,
fans.
She was up really early this morning.
I'm sorry about that.
No, I mean, like, that's good for you, dude. I was like just dead until my alarm went off. Or my Coldplay like pajamas, not relevant. Yeah, so I have 3 classes today. I'm gonna brush my teeth and try to have breakfast today, although I don't think I would have time. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and okay, see you later. Bye. Hi guys, this is my outfit of the day. Very basic. Brandy Melville sweater, Calvin Klein jacket, jeans, Arrow. Shoes are Steve Madden. And I am too late for the first bus. The first bus is at 10:31. I always wake up in time for that bus. So just in case I miss it, I can still make it to class by the second bus. If that makes sense? The second bus is at 10:40. So I think I might get like a sandwich at Starbucks so that I'm not like starving. Okay, let's head out.
Have fun, Whitney. Bye.
Thank you. Have fun. Do you have class today?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Off we go. Walking to the elevator right now. Cool. My hair looks brown. It kind of is. It's like dark brown, I guess. Someone's coming. The most basic drink in the world. On my way to my second class. Hi guys, welcome back to my dorm. It is 7:20 p.m. and I am freaking dead tired. I just got back from class like half an hour ago, and I'm gonna like pass out right here. My brain is like not existing anymore. I'm making dinner right now. I have some leftovers from lunch, but I'm being domestic and boiling some water. And then I'm just gonna put these on top of my rice and chicken and whatnot. Nothing exciting. I am not looking forward to tonight because I have to do a bunch of readings and make a presentation, because I have a presentation on Wednesday. Yeah, Mondays are literally the worst because I have 3 classes and it's such a long day. I don't come back until like 7. I really haven't in website. Can't speak. Usually Mondays are kind of okay for me when I get back, because there would be like The Bachelor or The Good Doctor, but like The Bachelor is finished, so I can't watch that, and The Good Doctor only comes out with a new episode like every friggin' month. So I might watch like Riverdale or Jane the Virgin while I eat dinner. Sorry, I sound dead. It's just Monday vibes. I also don't really know how to space out this week in terms of vlogging, because I've never vlogged like a whole week in my life before. So some days might have a lot more content than another day. Oh, also so weird, but like 2 weeks ago when I got out of class on Monday, it was like pitch black, but now at 7 p.m. it's like still pretty bright and like the sun is just going down. So it's crazy, but I'm really excited for it to get I'm really excited for it to be getting brighter. Yeah, that's a real sentence, right? Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys.
So I got a package. It's actually like surprisingly little. It's from Urban Decay. I don't know what's inside, but let's open it up. I just had dinner. That was good, but I feel like I'm like severely dehydrated, because I mean, like, when am I not? But at the same time, it's like kind of different. I feel like I'm more dehydrated than normal. So I should probably like drink some water. That would probably be smart. Ooh, qu'est-ce que c'est? You're gonna look hot. Yeah, I am. Ooh, hello, hot stuff. Oh, they know me. Okay, so it's like when they had like the Naked Basic palettes, but this one is the like Naked Heat Basics, I guess. But it's called the Naked Petite Heat. Beautiful. Oh my god, dude, what? Look what I got.
Yellow Luffy Tuffy. Oh my god.
But it's not the same brand. It doesn't taste
Where'd you find it?
Montreal. Brought it all the way back. But oh my gosh, guys, I should do a whole vlog just dedicated to coconut chips, because I had a spiritual, transformative experience. Like,
She really did.
I'm just gonna say it right now. Wait, first of all, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, this is the palette. Dude, I kind of like want to eat these. Scrumptious. I like this palette. Thank you, Urban Decay. Continuing with my coconut chip story. So it's not this brand, it's the brand Bear Snacks, I'm pretty sure. Wait, I gotta burp. That was not a good burp. I had a bag of coconut chips. We're not gonna talk about where it came from, because anyway, I had a bag of coconut chips. I decided to try it because I was like, I want to eat, and that's what I had. And so I opened it up as one would when they want to eat something. When I put it in my mouth, I was like my taste buds just had an explosion, and I've never felt like that after eating anything before. So it was like a spiritual like experience for me. Now I'm just hooked on coconut chips, the toasted flavor. So good. That's like, yeah, that's it for my little rant on coconut chips. Don't know if you guys care, but it's a matter that's really close to my heart. Okay, see you later. The bus gets here at 11:26, I think, and my class starts at 11:45 today. I am wearing nothing spectacular. A Harvard sweatshirt, very betraying leggings, same boots from yesterday, and my jacket. Today I have two classes. My second class is really exciting. Actually, they're both exciting, but my second class is like a cooking class, and we cook stuff, and it's really fun. It feels like MasterChef. That's gonna be cool. And then I have a group project after that, because I have a presentation tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna head down now to catch the bus, so see you later. Hi guys, just got out of my first class. Currently walking to get lunch at my favorite poke place. I'm like low-key addicted to poke. I guess it's kind of healthy, but it's like kind of not healthy at the same time. That made no sense. I'm recording on my phone right now, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but cool. Guys, it's the next day. I think in the last clip you saw me like cooking because I was in my like cooking class, which the food turned out really good. Anyway, it is the next morning. We actually have a snow day. Let me show you guys. It's like really intense outside. Can you see? Kind of like it's going hard out there. So we don't have class today, which is really exciting because I was supposed to have a presentation, but I don't have to do it now. So I made us acai bowls. It was my first time making acai bowls. They're like a little bit plain because I don't have many ingredients, but I think they look pretty good. Let's taste test. Made them for my roommate and I.
It's true.
Is it good? It's
Okay, this is actually delicious.
Really? Wait, it's so sweet. Because I use almond milk. It's like sweetened, so.
I'm gonna take this to my bed and eat it while I watch TV.
I'm satisfied. Should I like drop out and open acai?
I think you should, yeah.
Hi guys, so in the last few clips you just saw how boring my life is. I legitimately just sat in my bed the whole day. Like, that's all I did. Right now I just took a shower. It's 8:30 p.m. Yeah, I wasted the whole day away. My friend Natalie is here and we're about to watch Riverdale. It's like one of those shows. It's like good in that like I keep watching every week, but it's like it doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? All right. Bye. Hi guys, it is the next morning. Sorry I'm really bad at vlogging. I just don't know what to show you guys because my life is like really boring. That's my roommate.
I'm not having a good day.
Me neither, dude. Yeah, okay. I mean, you guys don't really hear what I'm wearing. But I'm about to head to class. I'm gonna get maybe a sandwich from Starbucks so I don't starve. What time is it? 10:23. Let's Gucci go. Focus on me. I look not my best, but I am home now. It's actually been a while. I think in the last clip you saw me like soldering in my metalsmithing class. Yeah, I'm in metalsmithing. I'm cool. Low-key, okay, I'm not gonna well, okay, if you guys don't like blood, look away, but it's like not that big, honestly. Okay, focus. Okay, I don't think I can get it to focus. There's kind of like blood pooling in my finger right now. It's like fine. I hammered myself really hard today in metalsmithing, so I'm still trying to recover. Low-key can't feel my finger, and like low-key think I liquefied my finger, but I'll survive. But yeah, I'm in metalsmithing. It's really fun and really cool. We're making rings right now, and I feel like Cartier. It's 9:48. I just literally got dinner. Like, I ordered food because I don't have food and slash I don't have time right now, because it's actually been kind of a productive day. I made a to-do list on my reminders, and I so far have done like most of the things that I need to do. Actually, false. Did my readings. I printed out what I needed to print out. Sent a bunch of emails. Oh, okay, so I'm working on this cool project right now, similar to something I've done in the past, but better. And I just sent part of that over. Cool stuff is happening. It'll be coming soon. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be better than last time. I talked about it on Twitter, kind of. So if you follow me there, you'll have some sort of idea. Oh, also, today was my last day of classes for the week. I don't have classes on Friday, so that's actually perfect because my family, they're supposed to arrive tonight, and they're visiting because my brother's on spring break. They were supposed to arrive earlier, but there was a snowstorm, so you know, plane was canceled. But we're gonna do some fun stuff tomorrow. We're going to see a Broadway show. Okay, why do I keep talking? I should eat. Bye. Good morning, guys. What time is it? Doesn't matter. My family is here. Welcome to New. Ba. Hello. Where's his body? Get it? I made a camo joke. This is Fortnite. Jeremy. He's surprisingly not being a brat today. We're gonna go to Madison Square Park, and then we're gonna visit the NYU campus. And then we're seeing SpongeBob on Broadway. But apparently it's really good. I was skeptical too, but I read some reviews and apparently it's good. Low-key had to film 2 videos yesterday, but that didn't get done. But it's fine. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, we are at Poke. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. We're at my favorite Poke place. I was here earlier in the week. There's Poke and then there's some Chinese food. Now we're about to eat. Show. We made it. It was so hectic. We had to like bolt 20 plus streets to get here because walking was actually much faster than any other form of transportation, especially through Times Square. Finally made it with 1 minute to spare. What's up, guys? I have 2 giant pit bulls today. Not relevant.
And I have none.
We're at Madison Square Garden because the Fam Jam lives in a hotel right nearby. I wanted to show you guys something cool. My dad's taking a picture with Madison Square Garden because he designed part of the building right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And so yeah. You're so fat. You're fat. Everyone feed in.
Yeah, who has the best shoes? Comment down below.
Comment down below. I do. Not Jane's. Definitely mine.
Jennifer, yours are just
mine are.
It's called Stop. Stop. Personal privacy.
Wow. You didn't say that when you wanted me to shout you out on Instagram.
It does look like a Zaha Hadid building.
Wait, I'm gonna take a picture.
So we just got $7 gelato, but I've had this before and it's really good. We're at Chelsea Market currently because we just came from the High Line. I really like Chelsea Market. It's pretty cool. It's definitely a tourist place, but it's really cool. If you come to New York, better check out Chelsea Market because it's like hipstery.
orange juice.
crepes and strawberry banana Nutella crepes. Hey guys, it is 3 hours later. So I've been editing for a while. I just submitted a video for like a sponsorship video for Instagram. Cool, in the elevator alone. Right now I'm going to meet up with my family. We're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge Park. Sorry if I sound dead. I just like, I'm so tired and like I got no sleep. Sorry I'm being so negative, but okay, actually let's put a freaking timer on this. 30 seconds I get to complain. Okay, go. So I have to freaking upload a video today, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to upload today because I'm hanging, pause that, because I'm hanging out with my family. I also have a midterm tomorrow which I have to study for. I haven't started studying for that, and so I don't have time to edit. So I think I'm gonna have to upload tomorrow, but tomorrow I have my midterm, so I'm probably gonna have to upload on Tuesday. And I got no sleep, so let's go. We're at the Brooklyn Bridge. No, I don't. Hi. I am a lot more awake. Jane's leaving now. Bye. Bye. The fam jam is at the airport. They're going back to Vancouver and Jane is going back to Boston. Hi guys. It is currently it's 12:07 a.m. So it's technically Monday. Currently studying for my midterm tomorrow. Actually, let me correct myself. Currently trying to start studying for my midterm because I just can't get my brain, like I physically can't get myself to focus. It's a problem. I've just been playing solitaire out here for like the past 2 hours. I don't know what's happening. My brain is just liquefied right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. I'm really tired. I feel like not a human right now. Oh shoot, do I have homework? Hope you guys have an amazing day and week. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.